Hello everybody. So check it out. We got something delivered. But before I get into that, I wanted to ask you, are you voting in the America's Favorite Pet contest? It's running live right now. If you are, leave a comment below. I'd love to know if you are. And maybe you can tell me who you're voting for. Just saying. So I got a really neat clip today. It was really unexpected. It's not a mouse, but it was Cyrus. Here's the clip. You can look at it. Cyrus is in the window of my office at the bird feeder checking out a cardinal. I think it's a cardinal, and it's definitely a bird. And that bird feeder was given to us by a Booger Roux fan. Anne up in Pennsylvania, and she's also a member of the channel like Jen is. If you can join the channel too, it's just $2 a month. And a remind everybody that Johnny's birthday is on the 20th of March, and y'all can send him a birthday card to the P.O. box. We got that on the screen there for you. Now this cat tree was a offline donation from our Give Send Go campaign, and it was sent to us by Lisa W, and I'm not sure where she's from, but we're gonna open this up right quick, and then we'll do the fast forwarding through the assembly process. So here we go. So sorry about that video, but here's what it looks like. It's all put together. Alright. So y'all, if you watched this long, please consider to join the channel. It's just $2 a month. Really appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll catch you on the next video.